so we have hydrogen on now. So, as I clean this up a little bit, I'm just going to fill this with hydrogen. It'll take a couple minutes. And the way this demo works is, again, I can't really predict exactly when it's going to react or blow up. Because what happens is I'm going to light this thing on fire. And there's going to be a flame at the very top. And as it burns, it's going to start pulling the oxygen from the atmosphere up into the hydrogen until it hits the perfect ratio, and then it's going to blow up all over the place. The only warning we have is a couple seconds before you'll hear this kind of whining noise. It's kind of a real faint whistle, and then it'll explode, and invariably someone jumps and screams, and it's quite amusing. So, again, this is like a good horror flick, and I just don't know when it's going to happen, which is the part that's really fun about it. Now, there's two experiments and two kind of demos that I won't do in this class because frankly, I scare the crap out of me. One was the one with Professor Gurula, who takes a hand and puts it into the concentrated sulfuric acid. To me, just sticking your hand in things that can be used to dissolve other metals in flesh, not a good idea. The other one is this one. Here we have hydrogen gas. We're filling this with hydrogen gas. As we know, hydrogen gas is quite flammable. Don DeCoste will take this and suck this in. Okay, so he'll put the tube in his mouth, and then because it's so much lighter than air, your vocal cords vibrate quite a bit more, and you have the whole Mickey Mouse thing. To me, ingesting something that we've already shown bursting into flames multiple times, again, not something I have a real big desire to do. Can I do it? So, no. My wife's a lawyer. I have defense. You think I want to get sued? Not so much. So, this is probably about full. The only problem with this one is there is a very slight chance that when we light this initially, it may be very loud. So, I will ask you to cover your ears just as we start this. It probably won't, it never has, but I've heard of it happening once. It's just one of those I don't want you to hurt your ears because it is pretty loud. So, just in case, have that. I hate this part. Here we go. Hope it works. Yeah, cover your ears just in case. Okay. So, if you look real closely, you'll see a small blue flame. Yellow every once in a while. It's going to burn down